Okay, now to save as mockup, put our logo in a mockup environment. There are several ways at which you can do that. You can open this, but let's say we have a new document. So let me start from a new document. You have saved your logo already. You have saved your logo already as PNG. So you have a new document. So you go to the page setup, or you can import it as picture. But I prefer page setup. Then change the page background. Pick from gallery. And change the page background. So you go to the location where your mockup is. So there's a mockup which I've sent to you. If I've not sent it, I'm going to send it. It's a 3D mockup. It's a popular mockup that people use. So here is the mockup. So we select it. Now we have our mockup background. Now the next thing for you to do is to bring in our PNG transparent background logo. So we bring in our PNG transparent background logo. So you click on the plus sign here and insert from gallery. Let's do recent. This thing is taking its time to load. Lord have mercy. Okay, let's see. Now you pick it and you import it. So we can give it a square setting, then select. So now we have this. So what we'll do now is to apply our effect to it. So it's better to save it without effect. Then you start applying effect depending on the mockup that you have. So the shadow. So now let's leave this one out. Then 3D rotate. This is where the work comes in. As you can see, the way I'm manipulating it, this is where the work comes in. You use the x-axis of a 3D rotate to manipulate it so I can look as if it's on the mockup. Then the next thing you do, you can apply something like this. Reduce it, as you can see. Give it color, make it black. Can increase it. So that's how you do your stuff. You can even change the stuff. You see, this is the sweet thing about Pixellab. You can manipulate things. It's as if it's made on the system, So, 3D rotation. So you can just manipulate them when it suits what you are putting it on. As you can see, when it suits what you are putting it on, then you are good to go. So I think I'm good to go on this one. So when you are through, then the next thing you do, there are several mockup. You can check my drive. You see several mockup there. Then when you are through, you save. save in the gallery. So that's that. Thank you very much. That's about mockup.